In this video, I'll show you how to improve your workflow in the Personal Budget Planner for Google Sheets by organizing your budget categories using simple sorting options. Whether you're adding new categories or just want a clearer overview of your finances, sorting your tables, alphabetically or by value, can help you stay more organized and efficient. I'll be using the Budget Planner template I created in a previous video. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend watching that one first. The link is in the description below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more budgeting tips, tricks, and tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two simple ways to sort your budget categories. First, using filter views. Second, using the menu-based sorting option. But before we begin, make sure to create a backup copy of your budget planner. Go to File, make a copy. You can rename it later. Using filter views. Navigate to the income table. Click the icon beside the table name and choose Create Filter View. Use the filter icon in cell B6. Select Sort A to Z. Your categories are now sorted alphabetically. Want to save it? Click Save View in the filter row just under the formula field. Name it as Sort Income A to Z. You can reuse it later by clicking on the icon in a table header beside the table name Income and selecting Sort Income A to Z from the list. Please note that this sorting does not have any impact on the summary table in the summary worksheet. Switch to the summary worksheet and observe that all categories here are sorted by the budget values or the actual values depending on what you choose as a sort by value. Switch back to the budget spreadsheet. Please note that each filter view is temporary. When you create a new view for a different table, the previous sorting resets. You can also sort categories by value in your budget worksheet. Navigate to the expenses table. Create a filter view and click the filter icon in January column D17. Choose Sort A to Z to sort by values. Save the view for future use. Click on a Save View button and name this view as Sort Expenses by January 25th values. Press Save. To reset filters, just click the X on the right side of the filter bar. Following similar steps, you can do sorting in any of your budget tables and by any column. Next, permanent sorting with menu option. I will show you how to make sorting using a menu in your spreadsheet. Using this method, you can sort and keep that sorting for each of your budget tables. There is no automatic reset of sorting, like in previous method, when you move from one table to another. You can reset sorting manually by pressing the undo button. But here is a trick. If you forget to undo this right away and make more updates to your spreadsheet, you have to be aware that undo function is able to reverse the last update you did. Pressing undo multiple times will reverse your updates backwards. But if between those updates you somehow did refresh your page, then you will be able to undo updates happen after that refresh only. To overtake this potential problem, we need to create an additional helper column and use it to reset your sorting. Let's do it. In cell A7, type 1. In A8, type 2. Select both and drag down to row 150. You can extend it more in the future. You now have a helper sequence in column A. To test the sorting, select rows 7 to 13. Navigate to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Range Sorting Options. Change Sort by to column B. Press Sort. As you can see, all categories in Income table are sorted alphabetically. Do the same thing to the expense categories. And finally, sort savings categories. Now all three tables are sorted. If you press Undo button, the savings table will return to its initial state. You can press Undo 2 more times to reset sorting in expenses and income tables also. But instead of doing this, press Reload this page button. Then you won't be able to restore tables using Undo. You've refreshed the sheet and lost its undo history. Test it. Nothing happens. No changes in sorting. This is when your newly created numerical column A will be useful. Select rows 18 to 24. Navigate to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Range Sorting Options, and sort by column A, the helper column. Done. Your expenses table is back to its original order. Do the same for your income table. Next, we need to restore our initial clean view of the budget spreadsheet. Select column A. Navigate to Text Color, Custom, and pick your spreadsheet background color. All numbers are invisible now. To make the budget title reappear, select A1, navigate to Text Color, add a custom color, and enter number 806000. Press OK. By using these sorting techniques, you'll make your budget planner more efficient, organized, and personalized, whether you're managing income, expenses, or savings. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions for additional data points or graphs to include, feel free to share your ideas in the comments below. Thank you for following along, and happy budgeting.